So in this video I'm going to show you how to leverage Zoho Marketing Hub's Web Assist events and also Web Assist missed goals. The idea here is we're going to take some actions if the web visitor does not complete the goals that we want them to. And so in this demo you can see I created this webinar registration page. It's quite simple, and then this register now will take you to the registration form, or you can register for this webinar. So what we're going to do is, for people that visit this web page that do not click this, we are going to send them an email about an hour later reminding them, hey, it's a great idea for you to register for this webinar, and here's 3 reasons why. So to get us started, we're going to come here, and for Marketing Hub, we're going to click on Web Assist, Websites, then we're going to click on our website, and we're going to come here under Events. Now what is an event? An event can be several things, but in our instance it's going to be, we're going to create an event for when this is clicked, this register now. So events, we're going to say define events. We're going to actually select it directly from the web page. This allows you to not have to use these JavaScript elements. If you're not a developer, it can be quite confusing. So for the layman, we're going to use this create new, and we're going to call this event. Our web page is going to be this one. Load my web page. When we click this, you'll notice it's going to load up this URL here. Now what we need to do is, see how when I highlight on these things, basically I'm telling his system about what I want them to track, what I want the system to track, and we want to track this. So we're going to, you can see how this changes. See how when I highlight things, it goes to, so we could create an event for people that click here, an event for people that click on my social networking, but in this particular instance we're going to say an event is when you click on this register now. So I click that, you can see it kind of highlights that and blocks everything else out beside it, and we're just going to go ahead and do save. You can also do multiple events, but we're going to choose save to do just this one. So now we have an event. So when somebody goes to this particular website and they click on that event, then it's going to complete this. So if John Doe comes to our website, clicks that, then this is going to show 1 because we have 1 event that was met. All right, and so let's go to missed goals. This is how we kind of sew things together. So our missed goal is what? It's going to be people that come here to this website that do not click this actual button. And so so what we're going to do here is create missed goal, and we're going to call this we're going to say for both returning and new users, activities performed. We're going to say they visited a particular page, and that page is, I'm not sure if that's actually going to be loaded in here as of yet. Okay, so it is. So we're going to say when they come to this page, activities missed. We're going to say does not perform a particular event. And what is that event? It's the new one that we just created. Click to register now for the Zoho Marketing Hub, February 1st, 2020. And so we're going to have a missed goal here. So when somebody comes to our page, this particular page, and they do not actually click that, scroll down here a little bit more. What do we want to have happened? Well, I always like to do the first thing here is add audience to a product. because this to me means that they're interested in our product. In my case, we sell Zoho implementation services, so one of our products is digital marketing. And so I'm going to come down here and choose a product that I've created called digital marketing. Choose a level, so leads and awareness. So you see I have awareness, engagement, and so awareness just means, hey, they're at least aware of you. They might not be engaging with your content, they may not be considering you, but we at least want to know that this particular lead is interested in our Zoho digital marketing product. Now we're going to do another action. This action, again, you select action, you can see you can do all of these things down here. And so what we're going to do is to simply send them an email. Right? We're going to say send it to them an hour after they do not meet this goal. So you configure content down here. We're going to say subject. Say hello, first name. These all look good. Next, so here we just create our template, basic template, and let's going to choose this one here. Use this template, and I'm not going to go into how to design all of this. We'll quickly just change the logo, and we'll change this to small. Okay, we do hello space. We're going to insert a merge tag there, contact's first name. Okay, and let's just take this default stuff out and say I'm just going to delete this second part here, delete, and I'm going to make this read now, button properties, and change this to register now, configure this, the URL, so we'll just make the URL go back to this one, or it could be whatever the page is here, whatever this page takes you to. But as long as we have something here, all right, save. And so clean some of these up. Send that, register now. Okay, so this email is ready to go, so we're going to do next. And add a pre-header. And so we'll leave that, save and exit. And so here we have our missed goal. So it doesn't matter if you're new or returning. If you come to this page and you do not click to register, then we are going to add you to our product so that we know that you're at least interested in our Zoho digital marketing services, and you're just starting to become aware of us, and to also send you an email 1 hour later. And if you looked at this, activities performed, activities missed. So for some missed goals, you can do things such as visited one page but did not visit another page. So I invite you to play with those. But in this particular situation, let's do. Okay, we'll have to send that for review. We'll let you know when that's done. So we'll come up here back to missed goals. Refresh. Looks like Zoho Marketing Hub crashed there. So we'll come back in here. Web Assist, websites, my website, missed goal, and here is the missed goal that we created. But you'll see, until their compliance team has reviewed this email, we can't actually activate it. But what we do have is the event setup and the missed goal setup, and we know that that email is going to get sent out, and we know that this particular lead is going to get associated with our digital marketing hub services, so that we know that they're interested in there. And so I hope that this video made sense to most. Hopefully a few got the gist of what I was trying to say here. But there's a lot of power in using both of these together. If I can, perhaps a nonprofit comes to mind. If somebody goes to your make a donation page, but they do not actually press the button that takes them to the next step in the donation process, then you could do something similar here. Or if you were a car dealership, say somebody did a search and they never actually added or press the add to cart, and so you can actually perhaps send them an email saying, did you know that we have add to cart function, where they could add that vehicle to their cart and look at it at a later time. So if you guys have any ideas, if you need assistance with ideas on how your organization or small business could leverage these two marketing hub capabilities here under Web Assist, give us a shout at fbergcrm.com. Check out our website, and we'll be more than happy to help you brainstorm how you can best use this. Good luck. Happy marketing.